Good morning, Miss Garcia. Hope you're doing well. These were dropped off to me yesterday. Blessed. 100% blessed. Look at this. I did put a nick in my blade the other day. Right there. But I did buy 2 more of them just in case that happened. Let's see here. A lot of times you can take that little nut right there off and them things will fall right off. But when I live at the beach, everything is rusted. I try to pull that off, that thing doesn't move. Doesn't move 9 times out of 10, so I just cut the shaft there. Really doesn't take much if you got a decent blade. Come on, baby. Here you go, spot. Haven't decided if I need to start saving the things or not. Probably. If they're aluminum, I might be able to get aluminum breakage for them, matter of fact. So I might get back in the truck and grab that out of there. Oh, everything around here is rusted. I mean, just rusted solid. Everything. I live just a couple miles from the beach. Well, more than a couple miles, but if you went by the crow flies, it's about 5. Takes me 15 minutes to get to the beach from where I'm at. 15 minutes. I had a giveaway the other night, or say a subscriber appreciation night. It went really well. I think everybody had a good time. Lasted about an hour. Oh, we got some goodness. Here, let's take a look. Another compressor. Got the motor I just took off. There's a little bit of copper. And then there's the aluminum coil that goes around there. You don't get as much for the aluminum coils, obviously, as you do the copper coils. But, tell you what, using this right here will make your game so much faster. Look at it. Hoya! Oh, ways. Pull this bad boy out of here. Look at that. This one was so bad that every bolt on the bottom here was rusted off. Didn't even have to be taken off because they were gone. So this thing is kind of just floating in there. Let me get this, put it where it belongs. I'll be back. I have a new spot for them now, so get my bucket. As I tear things apart, I'll throw it away. Bring it over there and separate all that later. Now the easy part. The easy part. Take the top off, pull the rads. Got some trash in the bottom. That's the only thing about these aluminum ones. Generally, the bottom's going to be a plastic tray. What are you going to do with it? If you tear your air conditioner apart, you're going to have to bring it to the dump. I don't have a place that I can just bring them to for free, unfortunately. So if you do, you're lucky. I don't. So it does cost me money. My last trip to the garbage was $58. So after tearing apart loads and loads of scrap metal, I paid $58 for the trash that I accumulate and stack in one spot. All right, what's next? We've got to get this thing turned around a little bit. I'm in a tight area right now with everything the way it is, so I think I'm going to move a few things around and I'll be back in a minute. Tell you what, guys, if you're watching this video right now, you'll probably see this show up. You'll probably see this show up on products, and you can buy this right from my video. So just click on the products and buy it. It's just like you're buying from Amazon, except I make a little bit of commission, and it helps me out, and thank you if you do. But look here, we're going to make quick work of this. I'll show you how this thing's going to save you some time. Oh, have a little bit in there, like you would not believe. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah. Oop. Look at that. Huh? Kidding me? Put them in the bucket. Ready to separate. Oh, baby, that was a tight one. Look at that. So I throw that in my bucket, process that. A whole lot easier over there on my bench. Bring that whole bucket to my bench. Take no time to scrap that out. And that is a blessing. So if you do air conditioning units, you're going to want this tool for sure. Few screws over here because I like this stuff here. This piece here has silver contacts in it, so I'm going to take out my silver contacts. Get out of there. There's a little bit of brass here, if you can get it. If not, just keep your wire. Throw the rest in the trash. What else do I want right there? Nothing. Nothing. But there are a couple things I want right here. Beautiful. save the goodness. We got brass, copper, and shred. Let's see if we can get rid of the shred. There we go. Just so you know, them little silver pieces that you find on there is a nice little piece of stainless. So I save them all. I save all that. I'm guessing this thing's ready to come out of there. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, trash man Jake is here. Oops. Oh, I hate it when these fall apart. I don't want it to fall apart. Whew. Yeah, every time I see the trash come by, it's trash man Jake. All right, I'll take the sides apart so I don't rip this thing apart. It's too heavy, actually. Pull it out of there. I thought I'd be able to. Let's see what we got going on. A couple screws here and there, maybe. What's holding me in there? I think it's just pressed in. I feel like there's a screw somewhere I'm missing. I thought that would slide out of there, to be honest with you. There's other ways I can do it, though. There are other ways I can do it. Trash Man Jake, go check out his channel. This up there in California with Coach Dom. Go check out his channel too. That's the only way I can get rid of it all. I'll bring this, set it aside to my radiators. And then we'll start on that little one that's whoo-wee, real bad shape. Yep, that's next. What did I get? Well, a little bit of miscellaneous stuff. Not too bad. I got a motor, a little bit of copper, and the rad. And the shred that we threw in the truck. That was number one. Let's start on number two. Alright guys, so while I move on to the next one, you guys can watch this video. And I appreciate your support and your subscribe. So yeah, I mean, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I've got lots of stuff to do. This is what I do. I'm a scrapper, and I scrap in my tent, scrap in my building. I pick it up, I process it, I do everything, and then throw it in my trailer, and out it goes. And I just keep repeating the process over and over again, and making more contacts as I go. So yeah, I mean, it can be a very profitable business. So young guys out there, old guys alike, if there's something you want to get into, see, I got into it just recently, 3.5 years ago. And because I couldn't do roofing anymore, and I just started doing this, and I'm making bank. Trust me, I'm making bank just doing what I'm doing. I don't have to do it, but I enjoy doing it so much. With all the other things that I've got going on, Grandpa is blessed. What's next? What's next? What's next? You know what's next. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ring that bell notification so you're notified next time I put out a video so you don't miss it. And we'll see you on the next one.